In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a database into MySQL using Hostinger. This tutorial is perfect if you're new to Hostinger or simply need some guidance through the process. So let's get started, and I'll walk you through every step of the way. First up, you'll want to visit Hostinger's website. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that first. It's the main access point to everything you'll need for this task. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the home screen of the H panel. Next, locate and click on the Websites option. You'll find this on the left side of the H panel navigation bar, and this is where you can see all the websites linked to your Hostinger account, and it's crucial for managing them effectively. Now, it's time to direct your attention to the Dashboard tab. Clicking this will bring you further inside the management area, providing a more detailed view of the controls and settings available for each of your websites. This dashboard is a powerful place. It holds everything you need for website optimization and maintenance. From here, you'll want to move to the Databases section. It's in this part of the H panel where all things database-related happen, from creating new databases to managing existing ones. Keep in mind, this feature is key for storing and organizing your site's data efficiently. After navigating to Databases, proceed by selecting Remote MySQL. This option is particularly handy, allowing you to manage how your databases connect with external applications. Understanding how to use Remote MySQL is essential for ensuring your databases are accessible only by authorized sources. Once inside the Remote MySQL section, you will see a Create button. Click on it. This action will initiate the process of setting up a new database. It's a critical step as you're laying down the groundwork for importing your existing database content into MySQL on Hostinger. Throughout this tutorial, don't rush through the steps. Take the time to explore each section thoroughly to ensure you're setting everything up just right. Attention to detail during this process can prevent issues later on, keeping your database running smoothly and securely. Congratulations! You've made it through the steps needed to import a database in MySQL using Hostinger. Remember, the key to success with databases and hosting is practice and patience. Don't hesitate to experiment and explore different options within the H panel as you become more comfortable with the setup. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful on your journey to mastering Hostinger.